your hands. Remember to wash your hands. Every time you've been around playing with friends, remember to wash your hands. Remember to wash with soap. Remember to wash with soap. When you wash your hands after blowing your nose, remember to wash with soap. And count to 20 at least. Count to 20 at least. Cover your cough and then wash your hands. And always count to 20 at least. Oh, oh, bring it on, sing along to the hand washing song.
Today has really been a very great day for us. So it's been a special day for teachers, students, as well as the school leaders. So we have really been excited. Even me, I noticed that I didn't really used to wash my hands properly. So you have to do so I actually remember the gestures that have been taught. So I remember, so those are the 6 steps you have.
Count to 20 at least. Count to 20 at least. When you're done going potty, wash your hands and count to 20 at least.
Uyu munsi wagenze neza cyane, twishimiye yuko mwatuzaniye ibikoresho by'isuku. Mu buzima bwa buri munsi tuba dukeneye isuku.
Today was good. The one which was best is how you danced for us and how you taught us how to wash our hands. We start washing like this. Then the third, we use our hands to clean. Then the fourth, we even clean here. The fifth, we use
bring it on and sing along to the hand washing song. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now your hands are clean.